Welcome back to Steve's Place Down Under, everyone. Today we're going to look at a few Will It Start episodes that will be coming up. A subscriber called in yesterday when we were working in the shed and said he's got a series of F100s, F250s, stuff like that, and a D-Series Ford with a V8 Cummins in it. So he wants me to see if I can get them all going at various stages. So we're going to have a look at that, and then possibly a AEC Marshall twin steer. So one of these trucks I will be acquiring sooner or later. I won't say which one. So stay to the end so you can see what's coming up. All right, everyone, here she is. 1972 D1000 D-Series Ford. Got a 504 cubic inch V8 Cummins, a little 600 series 10-speed overdrive. It's just magnificent. So this is a Will It Start. I sort of knew what I needed, but I was coming up to the area anyway, so I thought I'd call in and see what's going to be needed. It's 24 volt. Probably just drop a little bit of oil out of her and see if there's no water laying in the bottom. It hasn't ran for 12 years. Well, he's had it for 12 years, and I think it sat around for a couple before that, so it'll be a 14-year Will It Start. The brake system is something like off the space shuttle. It's just unbelievable. It's got full air boosters in it. It's got a full air treadle valve in it. Obviously Cummins got the typical compressor there that a Cummins runs, and there's hydraulic master cylinders and slave cylinders absolutely all over it. For something that's so simple in like an ACO or something like that, it's I can't explain what it all does. It's just unbelievable. But anyway, it must be how it came out. It wouldn't be hard to convert to full air at all. Wedge brakes. So I think it's just magnificent. I'll lower the cab and get a screenshot, but what a bloody beauty. So this is what's coming up. So if you please share, please like, please subscribe, please comment if you want to see this going, if you want to see it here roaring to life, if you want to see more of this as Will It Starts, please subscribe, click the like button. It all helps us grow. So a little bit of rust in it. The roof's perfect. I think the rust is only where the clutch slave has been leaking onto the floor, which is what I was suspicious of when I come up here after working on a slant 6.1 previously. I had seen this before just there, so that rubber there is wet, telling me the clutch slave is leaking. Yes, I said overdrive, but it's direct RT610, it's not an RTO. She's in bloody good order. Dad's with me today. This is the sort of stuff I want to do more of, coming to people's places and starting things within reason if I've got the time to travel. When he eventually retires, I want to do more of it, but at the moment we haven't got the growth to be able to get any relief from work, but hopefully it happens. We're trying very hard. So we'll go and show you the next one we're gonna start up. Okay, the next one is an F500 Ford with a big Canadian 6 in it. We won't be doing anything with this one, only seeing if it'll start down the track. The Ford, the D series will be first. But big 6-cylinder petrol in it. So that will be coming up. Probably a bit further down the track for this one. Probably won't start this one, but just show you. 351 Cleveland, 4-speed, F100, straight gas. Apparently it's been worked. It's not in bad order. I think there's a bloke interested in it. So many things laying around this yard. I'm more interested in the trucks, but I thought I'd share this. All right, here's another one, an old nuclear. What is she, a 250, you reckon? Old Cummins in her ear. Euclid. I think she was part of the Snowy Mountains, this one. The boys were using her many years ago. How long's it sat here, mate, you reckon? Since it's been going, 10 years?
Yeah, about that.
Yeah. So this is another one coming up. The old Euclid. She'd sound magnificent too. Some mate of mine owns this. Good mate of mine. There you go. So please subscribe if you want to see this going. Click the like button. Magnificent. Next one is this AEC. I think it's a Marshall. She's an old twin steer. 8-wheeler we call them here. Isn't it magnificent? This will be a Willet start too. Willet drive. You can see how long she sat here. It's in pretty good order apart from that front grill's missing and the quarter guards off both sides that connect those, the guard behind the first axle there. She's got the choco vine growing up over her. Deary me, there's some levers in it too. Let me know what you all think of this one. AEC. Look good in the lineup, you think? Okay, everyone. Hope you liked what you see. There's a lot coming up, so please subscribe. Please click the like button. And over the next few months, all this will come together as all first starts. Thanks for watching.